We're here at the MSI booth CES 2020 looking at the P65 Creator, a highly color accurate all aluminum design built just for creators, coming at you right now. If you're new to the channel, my name is Benji Kaiser. This is where you're going to find the best tech and tools for creative professionals. If that sounds like your kind of place, consider subscribing and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Also, if you're curious about the exact specs or pricing of this model, as we're going through the video, you can head down into the description below and click one of those links. That is an affiliate link, so if you do use it, I will get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. That's what keeps this helpful content coming your way and this channel alive. The P65 Creator, the first thing I want to point out is the all aluminum design. Really great build quality on this machine starting out. I love how MSI is really looking towards creators and their desire, or should I say our desire, to have quality products, not just high performing, but well built. So hats off to them for building such a well built product. There is very little screen flex for the screen. I'll show you that right now. Very little screen flex and a nice firm hinge. So really assembled this machine at a good level of quality. Next, we're looking at the keyboard. There's nice spacing on each side of the keyboard, which allows your hand not to roll off while you're typing. That's kind of a pet peeve that I have. Looking at the ports on the side of the machine, we have 3 USB ports, a network jack, headphone and audio mic jack, as well as a USB-C, a lightning bolt port, an HDMI port, all on the side of this machine. So it's got a lot of ports. The only thing that we're missing is the SD card slot, something I personally like, but you can easily grab a dongle, drop it into that USB-C port, and bring in your photos or videos. The next thing we're gonna look at is the specs. So this laptop comes with the 9th gen i9 processor, the RTX 2080 Max-Q, and a full HD 15-inch screen, which reaches 100% Adobe RGB color accuracy. If you're looking for a thin and light laptop as a creator, this should be on your list. Weighing in at 4.2 pounds with a phenomenal cooling system, it's gonna be a great buy for video editing, graphic design, motion design, or wherever your creative professional career is taking you. Again, if you're curious about the exact pricing or specs, links in the description below. My name is Benji Kaiser. Don't forget to subscribe for all of the future CES content coming out on the channel. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video.